one in the books. Rolling down Hitter Grove here. Nice day of 53 miles, 2,200 feet of climbing. A couple little challenging ones, nothing too bad, and a bunch of rollers along the way. A fun experience as a newbie. Awesome to see 15,000 people out on bikes and enjoying the day. Really a good vibe, positive atmosphere around it. That's good.
That funky monkey. Yes, monkey junkie, that funky monkey.
So here's our first day, and our lunch stop is Mr. Pork Chop. So you can hear the screams of car up. It means there's a car coming. The roads aren't closed. But if we're going to talk about food at RAGBRAI, which is a big thing, we eat a lot of food, but we eat Mr. Pork Chop. Mr. Pork Chop is a RAGBRAI staple, always set up along the route at a farm. Today's stop was really unique, had a lot of different vendors as well as Mr. Pork Chop. Pork Chop is great, but even better is the speed of service. Fellow Hoosier Adam here on RAGBRAI, also his first time out. How's day 2 treating you, Adam?
Well, 66 miles in, still pedaling.
All right, having fun?
Doing great.
So let's talk food here at RAGBRAI. There are some vendors that travel with you everywhere, and one of my new favorites. Got 4 waffles with sugar sauce on it, bacon and peanut butter. What is your most common repair you're seeing?
It's typically always some type of wheel issue, whether it's a flat tire or a broken spoke.
Yeah.
You know, is usually the #1. And after that, it's usually, you know, shifting or something like that.
What is it that people are not doing ahead of time that they're coming in with?
I mean, I think that, you know, it's hard to get like their bikes maybe tuned up at their bike shop. They might have been so busy that they might not have had time to get it done before RAGBRAI.
Grand Poobah of the Hills Angels. Randy, how many years you been on RAGBRAI?
18.
18 years. What keeps you coming back?
Riding my bike with 20,000 of my best friends.
Awesome. How much longer are you going to do this?
I don't know. Maybe get 25 in.
Yeah. Good call.
Listen to this interview with this tour guide. Listen to how many people it took to build this structure.
So it was built by Father Doberstein, who took courses on geology in Germany before he immigrated here. And then he got extremely sick and he prayed to Mary, saying that if she were to heal him, he would build a shrine in her honor.
What is it like to keep it up, to maintain it? I mean, is it a lot of effort?
I would say it is less than people think. Father Doberstein built it with like very good quality cement and like had metal structures for like the base of it. So it's honestly held up very well.
Did he have extra people?
So he had 2 main helpers, Matt Sorensi, who was basically his right-hand man while he was working on the grotto, and then another priest came here about 8 years before he passed away.
Like a 3-person job?
I would say so, especially for like designing the shrines and putting the rocks in, but there were obviously like volunteers after Sunday Mass to help like with like the manual labor.
A little fog starting the morning of the century here. Wednesday's 104-mile route. Pretty cool temperatures. A fun, albeit long day in the saddle. So give me your advice for the surviving 100 miles.
Keep eating, just don't stop.
Don't do it on a mountain bike.
Start early.
Yeah. Eat small amounts a lot of times.
Eat often.
Yeah. And just get on your bike and ride.
Peanut butter, chipotle, and bacon. I'd say it's pretty good.
All right, we got Bill Wanders here. Tell us a little about your story, Bill. When did you start riding on the way to RAGBRAI?
My ride across Iowa started in Oregon on June 7th at Cannon Beach. Yeah, so this is day 51, I think.
Self-contained?
Self-contained all the way.
How's that treating you? On the...
It's good, that's good. I suppose I could have packed my stuff on the truck, but it was just part of my mental to go all the way by myself. I felt like I had to carry my gear.
So from Oregon, where's your final destination?
Virginia Beach will be final destination.
Outstanding. Best of luck to you.
Yay, thank you very much.
Tell us about the outfits. What's going on here?
Man, I don't know. Our team has a bag of random clothes, and we get to pick. It's not. It's party day.
It's party day. All right, party day. All right.
Horned coral, gastropods or snails, and crinoids. And then this is a true clam, which is a pelecypod. And on them, the top and bottom are the same. On a brachiopod, tops and bottoms are different.
What are some of the major artists that you have artwork for here?
Got a Dali, 2 Picassos, and 4 Rembrandts. John Arthur Mooney was a local Charles City person, and he donated his art collection and his book collection to the Charles City Public Library. All of the art was professionally framed with special UV filtering glass and is protected as best as we possibly could.
Anyway, wow.
Fast.
Welcome to Waller, Iowa Bikers!
That'd be cool. Okay, I'll keep an eye out.
We've had 3 months to prepare. We had things set up last night. We were ready to go.
Quite a decoration coming into town with the corn and the paint. We haven't seen that yet.
The guy came and painted it last Sunday. Somehow it was all washed off yesterday morning.
Yeah.
They painted it all back on yesterday. Did an amazing job.
This is a little tune called Big Balls. Well, I'm forever upper class high society. God's gift to ballroom notoriety. And I always fill my ballroom. The effect is never small. The social pages say I've got the biggest ball of all.
How old are you, Brooklyn? Wow. Did you hear that, Carolyn? She's 13. You got this. But you're moving. And here comes our reward. Here we go. Let's do this. Yeehaw. It's so fast I can't pedal. Well, that was fun.
Bike her off.
The fire station and we're